Do you know what DeFi degens love the most? APY, APY, APY! Every day, degens put huge bags of liquidity in dexes, and they get rewarded for it by the inflation of their favorite assets. Their bags become bigger and bigger and bigger, giving assets the liquidity they need to function in the market. It's called farming, and it's one of the main innovations that drives DeFi. But there is a dark side to farming that many people don't know about. Farming is one of the most risky things in DeFi. Sometimes degens get wrecked, like ultra wrecked. You see, to reach the best APYs in time, degens often have to ape into a contract with no time to check the contract security. This is the reality of our crazy degen world. But don't worry, EthereansOS has your back. Covenants are here. Covenants are like a shield to protect farmers when they're farming. Covenants are a scammer or rugger's worst nightmare. Using Covenants farming, any community can create a secure farming contract and manage multiple APYs for different pools on top of the most famous dexes. Uniswap, SushiSwap, any dex. Covenants does them all. Yeah, without the need for users to write or audit even a single line of code. Covenants farming contracts are extremely secure because they're cloned by an on-chain EthereansOS factory. Nobody can change or tamper with their code. Be gone, bad actors. So, now you're free to go about your degen ways and ape into the latest farming contract without getting wrecked. And communities can now reward participants without risking them getting wrecked. It's a win-win. Oh, and I almost forgot. Any token can be farmable just because it exists. It's like magic. Covenants. Protection for base degens.